Today we will talk about 12 surprising uses for Vicks VapoRub. We hope you watch this video carefully until the end. Vicks is an age-old mentholated topical cream intended to relieve head, throat, and chest stuffiness, but did you know it can do more than relieve chest congestion? Vicks VapoRub has been around for over 100 years and is one of the most widely used over-the-counter decongestants. Lately, there's been a lot of buzz about unique and unconventional ways to use this astiferous ointment. You'll be surprised to learn that Vicks is a supposed treatment for so much more than just a congested chest. Number 1. Decongest your chest. The most common use of Vicks is to decongest your chest and throat area. When applied to the upper chest, it provides excellent relief of cough and congestion symptoms. Number 2. On your tootsies. Applying Vicks to your feet provides nighttime cough relief. Generously rub VapoRub all over your feet and cover them with socks. Within moments your cough will subside. In the morning you'll wake up a new, hacking-free woman. Number 3. Achy breaky muscles. Vicks relieves sore, overworked muscles. It increases circulation and provides almost instant aid. Use a generous portion and apply it all over the aching area. Be sure to warn your bedmate as the stench can ensure a nookie-free night. Number 4. Get rid of nasty nail fungus. Rub VapoRub on your toenails if you suspect you have a fungus. Within days, the nail will turn dark. This means the Vicks is killing the fungus. As your toenail grows out, the dark part will grow off, and you will have fungus-free feet. Keep applying the ointment over a period of 2 weeks to fully cleanse nail beds of any remaining bacteria. Number 5. Stop your cat from scratching. Cats are notorious for scratching every hard surface they get their claws on. To prevent Miss Kitty from ruining your doors, walls, and windows, apply a small amount of VapoRub to these areas. Cats detest the smell and will steer clear. Vicks can also be applied to your arms and legs if your kitty is prone to scratching you. Number 6. Pet pee-pee deterrent. If your dog or cat is not yet potty trained, put an open bottle of Vicks on the area he or she likes to mark as their territory. The smell will discourage them from lifting their legs and wetting your rug. Number 7. Headaches be gone. Rub a small amount of Vicks VapoRub on your temples and forehead to help relieve headaches. The mentholated scent will release pressure in your head and instantly relieve pain. Number 8. Humidify your sleep. Vicks VapoRub can be used in special types of humidifiers and vaporizers. Ensure your humidifier has an aromatherapy compartment before using. The humidifier will circulate Vicks throughout the air and keep you breathing easy all night long. Number 9. Paper cuts and splinters. To prevent infection and speed up healing time, dab a small amount of Vicks on any small cut or splinter. Number 10. Ticks and bugs. If you get bitten by a tick, apply Vicks immediately. The strong odor might help get the critter to release itself and stop bugging you. Number 11. Reek-free racehorses. Professional racers smother VapoRub under the nostrils of racehorses on race day. The strong stench deters the stallions from the alluring odor of the female pony and keeps them focused on the race. Number 12. Go away mosquitoes. Apply small dabs of Vicks VapoRub to your skin and clothes and mosquitoes will steer clear. If you do get bitten, apply Vicks to the area and cover it with a band-aid to relieve itching. Please don't forget to share your surprising uses for Vicks VapoRub experiences with us in the comments section below. So hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. So take care, bye, and see you until the next video.